In line with the in line with Audiology Awareness Month, so binabati ko and kina-congratulate ko yung aming provider sa hearing aid, yung Audibly Hearing Aid Center at yung Newgen Foundation for continuing to give service to PWDs, no? As PWD officers, kayo po ang tumutulong sa amin at nagpapagaan na aming trabaho. To Sir Ariel and Sir Saldi, hopefully to continue your commitment to serve PWDs with hearing problems and with people with yung NIHL, yung hearing induced noise problems. So, yun lang po, nabasa ko lang kasi na ngayong October pala is National Audiology Awareness Month. So, ibinibigyang importance lang nito yung trabaho ng mga audiologists at saka yung mga audiometrists, diba? Nakagaya ni Sir Sadi Mersene. So, yun lang po.